Hey y'all, it's Trish. Welcome back to my channel. I know I am looking busted, but it is okay because this video is not about me. It's not about me and not about how I look. So I wanted to bring to you guys my room transformation video. I've been living in my apartment now for about a couple of months, and I've been taking my own time with putting my room together. Everything else is together, but I need to get my room together. I finally bought my stuff for my room, and that's gonna be a separate video when I do my apartment tour. I'll tell you guys where I got everything from in my apartment tour, but this video is just gonna be a room transformation video. So this is what my room is looking like right now. I just got my bed in here. That was the first thing I bought from my apartment when I first moved here. Got some shoes, bands and boxes and shit laying everywhere. Got a film some haul videos for you guys, but yeah, this is what my room is looking like right now. Just a mess. So in the video, we're just gonna be transforming my room since I've got my stuff. And like I mentioned before, everything that I got from my room will be in my apartment tour. So if you want to see everything I got from my room, and you know, if you want to see what my apartment is looking like and everything, y'all just gonna have to wait till the apartment tour. This video is just gonna be focusing on my room transformation, you guys. Everyone, so I'm not gonna do too much talking in the video. I just want you guys to enjoy. But right off the back, my bed and my dresser and my shoe rack is from Wayfair. I'm literally just gonna tell you guys where everything is from, and that's really it. As you can see, y'all just gonna see me putting stuff where they supposed to go and my little decor and stuff and whatnot. But I'm just gonna tell you guys where I got everything from, and other than that, I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy the video. My mirrors came from Ross, and my end tables came from Overstock. Literally, the plan was to get most of my stuff from IKEA, but as you all know, we're in Corona, so I had to get most of my stuff online, which is fine. It's whatever. The mirrors are from Walmart, and the pictures above my bed I made myself. Curtains that I'm hanging up, y'all gonna see me struggle just a little bit, but the curtain rod and the curtains are from Dee Dee's Discount. My floor mirror that you guys see in the background is from Ross. I bought that mirror probably almost a year and a half ago. This shelf here that I'm putting my perfumes on, I bought from Ross last year when I lived with my mom. Yeah, I bought it last year. When I bought it, actually, it was like a darker gray color. I had the brilliant idea of spray painting it like a it's like a silver glitter spray paint that I use to spray paint the shelf. And I'm sorry if you guys can't really hear me too well. I did just wake up probably about 30 minutes ago, so that's why I sound a little rusty. So I'm just going to be changing out my pictures and my picture frames. The picture frames are, I believe, are from Dee Dee's Discount. Decided to put one on my dresser and the other one above my picture stand. Initially, I wanted to put them on my end tables, but I didn't want to crowd my end tables, so that's why I went with these two positions instead, or locations, I'm sorry. I was a little out of frame in this clip, but I was just putting up a picture that I got from Hobby Lobby above my little shoe rack. As for my bed, my sheets and my comforter that you guys will see me put on my bed are from Amazon. My decor pillows are from Wayfair and Overstock. As you guys can see, the theme colors in my room are gray, black, and white. I didn't want too much of one color, so I alternated between the different color scheme in my room. Y'all are gonna see me go over my quilt, not my quilt, but my comforter with a lint roller, because I was seeing like different like particles and stuff on my stuff, and it was driving me nuts. So yeah. I did buy myself some new pillows. 2 of them are from Target and the other 2 were from Wayfair. I didn't know how cheap Target had their pillows. I would have gotten all of them from Target had I known, but I had already bought the Wayfair ones before I bought the Target ones, so yeah. Okay, so the white fluffy pillows are from Wayfair. The gray metallic ones that you guys are going to see me put on my bed are from Overstock, and the middle piece is from Overstock as well. I didn't show you guys the clip of me putting my blanket on my bed. It's a quilt, but I'm using it as my blanket because I don't like to sleep with comforters. It's too thick. The quilt is from Walmart, and the rug that you guys are gonna see me put in front of my bed is from Ross. I already had the rug. Bought it last year when I had my old room when I was living at my mom's. Other than that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Really take this feel.